Let's move on to the next part. We will create a washer, then bush, then nut, and then the bolt. So let's go with the washer. We have a washer of 1 mm thickness and OD 12 mm, ID 6.25 mm. So let's click on file, new, click on part, click OK, select a plane, click on sketch, make a circle, make circle number 2, give them a dimension. Inner diameter is 6.25 mm, the outer diameter is 10 mm. Constraint coincidence, and we have both the circles that are coincident with each other. Let's come out and click on pad, make 1 mm thickness, preview, click OK, and we have a washer here. Okay, so now we have created the washer, and if you notice the profile, we are not able to see it as a completely circle. We have certain edges. So to see the profile as a complete circle, we have to do certain settings. So we will go to tools, options, and here we have performance. Okay, so click on 3D accuracy and reduce it to minimum. Click on fix and reduce it to minimum. Again we have 2D accuracy here. Click on proportional, make it minimum. Click on fixed, make it minimum. Click OK, and now you can see the washer. We have a complete circular profile. This generally happens when the dimensions are smaller. We have to make certain settings. Okay, so let's save it. Let's name it washer, click on save.